Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea with me, Victoria. So I've got an exciting video for you today. I have a new tank, so I thought I would just do a quick update video to show you some footage and some clips from my new tank setup. You can also see the Christmas tree lights going off in the background. So this is my new tank. I got most of my new bits from Salty Revolution and a few bits from Maidenhead Aquatics, which would be the corals, some snails and some Mithrax crabs and a few other various places online. But the majority of my stock came from Salty Revolution in Mildenhall, which is heaven. It is absolutely amazing. The staff are all so friendly. They're really knowledgeable, they're really helpful with everything, and they even made me a cup of tea, which, if you know what I'm like, you know how much I love my tea. So this is my new tank setup. The corals aren't really open at the moment, but they have been opening really well. So you've got a couple open over here. This one's opened a little bit. I'm just waiting to give them a chance to open up a little bit to see them in their full glory, but I will add more additional footage to my channel when that happens. So in the meantime, this is my tank. I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope you continue to stay with me in my videos next year. And there is lots more exciting things coming. So, enjoy the footage of my tank. So I have just been to Salty Revolution in Mildenhall, and oh my gosh, what a fantastic place. It is absolute heaven. I have 2 boxes full of new things to go in my tank, which is really exciting. So I'm going to get all these in the tank and show you what the tank looks like. If you want any marine stuff, definitely check out Salty Revolution. This is my little buddy, the sea urchin. He is chilling here in the corner. He is blue. I think it's a blue tuxedo urchin. So he is chilling in the corner near the filter. So let's see what other life we have on in the tank at the moment. So there are 2 clownfish. You can see there's a snail here. There is loads of coral dotted about all over the place. There's one of the clownfish. There's both of the clownfish. There's a male and a female. The female is the larger one. They haven't got any names yet, so if you have any name ideas, please let me know down in the comments. So there is a really cool tube worm. If I can get a video of it coming out, I will get that for you. You've got a couple of conches in here. There is an anemone crab. There are a few sexy shrimp in here as well. See if we can spot any. We've got another conch there. There we go. There is a sexy shrimp just chilling on some coral at the moment. So there are various corals in the tank, and I've got a little frag up here on the frag rack as well. So this is a new tank that I have set up. There is a dark night hermit crab there, which is that long shell across there. There are some various snails in there as well. There are a couple of serifs and some Estrella turbos. There are 4 Mithrax crabs in here, which are probably hiding somewhere in the rockwork. They really like to hide. I can't see any at the moment. I apologise for the state of the glass. I've just been testing the water and making a huge mess. There is also a strawberry dottyback who will be hiding somewhere down the back. She is a big fan of hiding. There is a no fishing sign, so the cats know that they are not allowed to fish, because my cats can read, obviously. So yeah, this is my new tank setup. So I thought I'd just do a quick video to give you a tour of my tank. Penis, some snails, some fish, snail. Hello, Mr. Krabs. Oh, there are some sexy shrimp here. They're chilling. There is Mr. Krabs again. There is another crab. The sea urchin is up there too. There's a conch. There's another conch. Here is Nigel, my invisible shrimpy. He is a Venusta shrimp. You can see him there. He has got bits of blue and a beautiful blue and white fan tail. So he is almost invisible, so he's really hard to see in the tank. His name is Nigel. Here we have one of my conches just having a snack. Snack, 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 snack. Nom, 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 nom. Munchy, 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 munchy. They are adorable with their little eyes. Oh, you push Nigel out of the way. That's a bit mean. Poor Nigel. Here is a sexy shrimp, wiggling its little butt, being totally sexy, because that's what they do. They wiggle their butts. Here we have the clownfish. There is a male and a female. They have no names yet though. We've got the tube worm, which I don't know if you've ever held a tube worm, but oh my gosh, they feel absolutely rotten. They feel disgusting. They feel like, I'm not sure if I can say it on a family friendly YouTube. There is the anemone crab, and there is another conch in there as well. Thank you all very much for watching this quick update on my tank. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to hit like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications to see updates on my future endeavours with this tank. There's going to be lots more corals, some more fish, hopefully a starfish will be going in here at some point. So lots of exciting things happening with this tank, and if you want to see that, remember to hit that bell for notifications. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Bye for now.